Good morning, guys. Look around me. The outside fully covered with fog. The sun gradually rising up in the sky. Look at, okay. But I have come to the field, do some yoga, meditation, and morning walk. Morning walk is very helpful to your health. So everyone has to come in the early in the morning. It makes you healthy. It's protect
अरे कहना क्या
some
चाहते हो?
disease like sugar, blood pressure. It's gradually decrease. For the students, early in the morning help you to concentrate your study, okay, grow your health, and also energy. আর তো মনে পড়ছে নাই। আজ তাহলে থাক, সবাই ভাববেন যে ছেলেটা বিদেশ থেকে এসছে নাকি রে। থাক থাক, পরে তুই চেষ্টা করে দেখবি, ঠিক আছে।